Hello, welcome back to Learn Wise Hub. Today we are starting trigonometry. Lecture 1. Today we going to learn the first topic in trigonometry. Introduction to trigonometry. Let's start with angle. Angle, union of two rays having a common and point O together with rotation required to bring initial ray into the position another way is defined as an angle. To explain in easy terms, an angle is a combination of two rays with a common end point. In the above angle diagram, we can observe the following. O is the vertex, OA is initial side, OB is terminal or base side. The final angle is denoted as AOB. If the rotation of angle is anticlockwise, left to right, angle is regarded as positive. Clockwise, right to left, angle is regarded as negative. Next, let's go to complete angle. Angle made by a ray is called complete angle. The amount of rotation required to bring the initial ray to meet the final ray is called the measure or magnitude of an angle. The magnitude of the angle is the amount of rotation that separates the two rays. The units of measurement of angle. For measurement of angle, there are three known systems. 1. Sexagesimal system, British system. 2. Centesimal system, French system. 3. Circular or radian measure. 1. Learn about each system in one video. From now every day a video will come every day. Thanks for watching. Please support us for bringing this change.